Hey guys, it's Anthony Sec here, and today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox 6.1.32. So you'll want to go to this website right here, virtualbox.org, and it should bring you to right here, this screen right here. And what you'll want to do for Windows is hit download VirtualBox 6.1, that big button. Then it will bring you to this page once again. And you'll want to hit Windows Host for Windows. If you want to do Mac, hit OS X, Linux, and so on, so on. So click Windows for Windows. Give it a second here. Hit download, and we will wait for this to download, and I'll be right back when it finishes. Hey guys, it is now all downloaded. So what you'll want to do when the application has downloaded is anyways, you'll want to double click on the file that it downloaded so you can install the application. You will click yes when that pops up. So what you'll do is you'll be here, click on next, and basically leave all this the same unless you're very advanced and want to disable some things and enable others. Make sure all these are checked off and click yes, install. Wait for this to download. It will say, would you like to install this device software? You'll want to say always trust from this company and click install. If you don't, you will have some problems if you're trying to install Windows on this VirtualBox or Linux or anything. And make sure this is click start the VM VirtualBox after installation. And it should look like this when you're in. So now what you want to do, just for fun purposes or whatever, and more compatibilities, you want to go back to this website, and what you want to do is get this VirtualBox extension pack. So you'll click on all platforms, wait for that to download, and if you want the software developer kit, you can also download that too. Really no point of downloading that though, but like I said, you can if you want to, it's your choice. So yeah, wait for those to download and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and once those two things download, you'll want to go to your files and go to your downloads. And what you'll want to do is double click on the VirtualBox extension pack. To install the extension pack, hit install, scroll all the way down, hit I agree. And it'll say this if it was successfully installed. What this will do is give you a 64-bit option, and make sure to enable virtualization in your BIOS. If you don't know how to do that, I look at someone else's video to show you that, because I don't know how to quite record that yet, but I'll get there. So yeah, this is basically it to install the VM VirtualBox. If you want me to install Windows, just comment down below if you'd like that, and I'll do it. I'll probably just do it anyways, but yeah. Just be sure to like and comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.